I mentioned discounts earlier, and we haven't included them anywhere in our numbers yet. So they're a very real thing. Our customers expect them of us, and it's a great thing to be able to give them and offer them. So when I first started in business, I would try to be very fair about my pricing and keep it as low as possible for my customers. And then it meant that when they asked me for a discount, I was under a great deal of pressure, because I knew that if I gave them the discount that they wanted, I would be running my business at an unsustainable level. So one day when I was trading at the flea market, I thought, oh, the hell with it. I'm just going to put all of my t-shirts up by 10%. It was frightening. I went out the following week convinced that nobody was going to buy anything from me. One or two people noticed and complained, and business carried on as usual. What I found in the long term was that when people came in and asked me for a discount, I could say to them in a very reasonable fashion, absolutely, I'll give you 10%. Most people are totally happy with a 10% discount. Those who didn't ask, I made 10% profit, and suddenly found my business growing. I was able to grow my stock holding. I was able to go and buy more stock with it, and it was a great thing in the business. The customers didn't seem to mind, and those who asked for discounts now walked out happy instead of irate with me because we'd had a showdown because I refused to budge. So think about putting in discount margins. I put in a 10% discount margin on top of my prices, so that I can be generous and discount. It also gives you a chance to offer discounts at times when you need a sale. So if you're a little bit cash strapped and you need to get money going in the business, you can always go out there and offer those customers that 10% discount to try to encourage them to buy in times when they would normally be a bit tight-fisted with their cash. So that discount margin can be very useful. Put it in there. I encourage you to have the courage to put it in there. You won't be sorry.